Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to sign in McDonald's app. For that, first of all, you need to download and install your McDonald's application. Then you need to tap on the open button in order to launch it. Now the first thing that you need to provide is to simply select your region. So tap on the region section and here you need to select your region. After that, select your language and press continue in the bottom. Now once you do this, it will redirect you on the next page where it will ask you to provide some more details. So tap on tell me more and then press continue in the bottom. Now allow your location permission and press continue again in the bottom. Then you need to tap on the login option. So since you want to log in or sign in, you need to simply tap on the login option. And if you have the email address and your password, you need to provide those details in this section and press the login option in the bottom. This way you will be able to easily sign in into your McDonald's application and you will be able to use it very easily. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can even share the video with your friends or family members who needs it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.